This is the Fujifilm X-H1, the new 24.3 megapixel APS-C mirrorless camera from the X series. While it doesn't offer huge advancements in the photo side of things, it is certainly a big leap for Fuji in the video world. We have the same sensor that the X-T2 has, but the X-H1 is capable of shooting DCI 4K, 120p at 1080 resolution, while also introducing new color presets with film emulation and F-Log, allowing the shooter to get 12 stops of dynamic range. The X-H1 is also the first of the Fujifilm cameras to have in-body stabilization. All of these new functions will certainly thrust this camera into the pro video world, but it also should be noted that while it lacks certain luxuries like a headphone jack that the GH5 has, it is still an incredible leap from Fuji into video. The 5-axis image stabilization on this camera is really great, offering 5.5 stops of compensation. It'll combat the shake from your hands, competing once again with the GH5. Since the stabilization is in-body, you're also able to use the XF and XC lenses and still get buttery smooth motion. The overall build quality is really quite rugged, and you will notice it resembles Fujifilm's GFX more than the X-T2. They have also given the grip a lot more girth that just feels more secure and comfortable to hold, especially for those with larger hands that are used to the larger grips found on most big DSLRs. You also see that the LCD screen on the top of the camera gives you quick access to see your settings without fiddling around in the menus. Finally, we have a 325-point intelligent hybrid autofocus system that offers better low light focus detection. We also get a nice touchscreen display with a nice bit of flexibility and a near silent shutter with a high speed of 14 frames per second. Overall, the Fujifilm X-H1 is more a pro video camera than a stills camera, with plenty of exciting video features. It comes with a price tag of $1,900 and is a very nice addition to the X series. If you have any questions or would like to check this camera out, go to thepixelconnection.com. Thank you so much for watching.